Don't wait for the perfect time to come knocking. It won't. Don't sit around hoping the best opportunity finds you. It rarely does. You have to go out there and find it. You have to believe in your strength, even when no one else does. Even when you feel small. You have to believe you were made for more, and then go prove it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it. Hi, I'm Dua and this is my story. It was 2021. I was in my final semester, just emerging from the COVID lockdowns. Like most girls fresh out of university, I was also eager to land an internship and start my career. But as we all know, how the corporate giants fucked employees in the name of internship, offering little or no pay in exchange for a full-time work. And I got stuck right into that slavery shittiness. I searched like crazy and ended up landing jobs in HR and finance across different industries. But the reality hit hard. I saw how people were stuck in a cycle that looked a lot like modern day slavery, and the worst part, they didn't even realize it. I know so many girls who travel for hours, work exhausting shifts, get underpaid, and still keep going. They work just to pay their bills, to support their families. They put up with toxic environment because they believe they have no other choice. I know that feeling because I was one of them. And somewhere between all that chaos, the missed deadlines, the pressure, and the waiting for something better, something in me cracked. I was done settling, done waiting, done living small. I didn't want to just exist in this broken, shitty system. I wanted freedom, I wanted control, and I knew if no one was going to hand it to me, I would have to create it for myself. And that was my real beginning. So I started looking for ways to work from home, something that would actually give me freedom, flexibility, and purpose. And that's when I stumbled into a whole new world I never knew existed. A world where businesses weren't relying on cold calls or shady sales tactics like I saw during my internships and jobs, but instead they were growing through strategy, through real value, through online visibility. I had no idea that an entire business could run without the traditional marketing I was used to. Like, no pressure, no fake promises, just helping people find exactly what they are looking for online. That's when it hit me. In today's world where everything feels saturated, where everyone is competing for attention, what every business is actually need is visibility through digital marketing. At first, I had no roadmap, just curiosity. I jumped into free courses, blogs, YouTube videos, anything I could find online. Then one day it clicked. I discovered SEO, search engine optimization, helping websites show up on Google by understanding what people are searching for. I was hooked. I learned the tools, studied search intent, and started seeing how content and algorithm work together. And slowly, theory turned into real work and real results. So if I talk about my first SEO project, it started with a real estate platform. I blog titled Best Places to Visit in Bahri Town, Karachi. At that time, I didn't have access to premium tools or years of experience. I just used Google Keyword Planner, people also asked, and conducted extensive competitor research. I focused on spotting content gaps, understanding search intent, and staying true to Google's EAT principle. I optimized every heading, every keyword, and every meta tag. And within just few months, that blog ranked on number 6 on Google's first page. That moment felt huge because it wasn't just about the ranking, it was a clear sign to me that I was heading in the right direction. So let's get fast forward to today. 1 year later, that same blog now ranks on number 1 on Google, shows up in the AI overview, and is still driving traffic. And here's what the numbers look like now. And that blog was my breakthrough. It showed me that you don't need a fancy agency or expensive tools to succeed, just the right strategy, consistency, and mindset. But more than that, it confirmed I would make the right choice to walk away from the corporate hustle and fully embrace the digital path I was building for myself. So, guys, I didn't have connections, I didn't have a clear roadmap. I just had a gut feeling that said there's more to life than just clocking in, waiting for a paycheck, and trying to fit into systems that were never made for you. So, I stopped waiting, I stopped seeking permission. I chose to carve my own space from my own room with nothing but a laptop and Wi Fi. From the small space, I reached global markets. From learning SEO in silence, I saw my content on Google's front page. From a single blog, I saw traffic in thousands and confidence in millions. I built my independence one click, one search, one blog at a time, and I'm still building it. So, to every girl sitting in her room wondering if there is more to life than the limits people have drawn for her, there is. And the craziest part, you already have everything it takes to begin. So, if you felt connected to this video, if you see yourself in this journey and want to be a part of what's next in my digital world, follow me because there's so much more to come that you don't want to miss.